This is my car. It's sad. The sad car. It's kind of hard to see the sad car. Count that it's in the water. But you'll get to see plenty of it when these people drive by. Watch! Sad car. Wow. It could be a tow truck driver. Is it for me? No. It's for the other people. Their sad car. You know, it's not too bad. You know, at least it's not floating. Whew, goodness, it's cold. See, the only person who has managed to apparently step in a sinkhole or something over here. Picked the wrong shoes for today. But yeah, if you look down there, there's lots more where that came from. Kind of hard to see, but you know, there's a lot. There's a lot of people. And then there's a bunch of these people. And right over here is a car that is just here. It has just been left here. I wish that I could drive up on her, but you know, what it is. Oh man, it's cold now. And I really wish that I'd brought that jacket that I thought about bringing this morning, but I didn't. But yeah, that's my car. My poor car baby. There's more people coming down the road. There's some days, you know. Let's watch this sucker. I'm really not hoping that you're gonna like not make it. I'm really not. But I'm increasingly jealous that you are making it. Yay for you. Sad. Whew. Okay, it's warmer in the car.